We use only 10% of human brain. Is it right or wrong? Yet many people got misunderstood about this fact. Even Albert Einstein also got misunderstood that we use only 10% of human brain. To know all about human brain capacity, let's get into the video. Welcome to Focomate. The truth is, we use every part of our brain, even while we are sleeping also. For getting maximum efficiency, human brain need to require 1 to 16% of cells need to be active. Human brain alone require 20% of energy other than all organ of a human body. Compared to the children, it seems to be 50%, and in infant it is 60%. An adult human brain weight around 3 pounds. Human brain is made up of 75% of water. Human brain can generate 23 watt of power when awake. It's enough to enlight a small electric light bulb. Human brain are densely packed with 10 billion of nerve cell and 50 billion of other cells. MRI scan also shows that for a simple activity, our brain needs to be active. So if anyone will claim that we are using only 10% of our brain, that is not possible. I hope this video will sound interesting to you. For next video, stay tuned. Until then, let's learn with focus. Bye-bye.